Hey guys, it's Terrence here, and I wanted to give you a brief introduction to Image Occlusion 2.0 add-on for Anki. And first, I'd like to thank Damien for making Anki and making it freely available for us to use on the desktop, and I guess everyone involved in Anki. Also, like to thank Tiago for making Image Occlusion and helping me and doing some things to make it better for everyone. So here you have it. I'm going to show you how to install it real quick. If you open up Anki, you can select Tools, and then you go to Add-ons and select Browse and Install. Select Browse. And this will bring you to the Add-ons page for Anki. Then you'll want to hit the Info button for Image Occlusion 2.0. Below the download heading, you'll see a number, and this is the number that you will copy and paste into Anki where it says code. That's the code for Image Occlusion 2.0. You'll go ahead and click OK to install it. I will warn you that you probably will get an error after you install it. Go ahead and just follow the instructions on there. And I've had zero problems with the probably 2,500 cards I've made using Image Occlusion. So I want to go over the two main benefits that I see from you using this are one of them is the speed with which you can create image cards and then occluding, hence the name, or blocking out the names on here and making many cards from one image. And as you can see, and I'll show you how to do this in a future video, this very quickly making occluding these labels, and then for each label or rectangle or whatever that I've created, it will make a card in Anki, and much quicker than typing this out and any other way. Second benefit I see, which that one is incredibly time saving. This one also saves time, and this is what it looks like when you see the images. And actually I'm going to find ones a little more complicated than this so that you can see that. You see a red box here, and it's much faster for you to look at a box and just know that you have to that's what you need to come up with in your mind, than to read a label and then search for the label on the image. Red box, eyes are drawn to it, simple and fast, much faster, in fact, when you're reviewing cards. Also, the answer is displayed in a fast way as well. You see it right there. No change to the picture, everything looks great, and your eyes are drawn straight to the answer. So instead of reading and searching, your eyes are drawn to the question and answer here. Very fast. Those are the two main benefits. One of the bugs some of the bugs that I see with it when I use it are, you have to keep this drawback is you have to keep this image occlusion editor window open because of a bug in the graphical kit QT, which Anki uses to display its windows and other stuff. So it can be annoying to have this open, but the benefits vastly outweigh the drawbacks to using this. So I would put up with it, I do put up with it all the time because it's much better anyways. It's not that big a deal. Some people like to leave windows open anyways, so it's not a big drawback. It's just something that I find can be a little bit annoying. Another thing is that sometimes if you're trying to edit the image and get complicated with editing the image layer or the picture layer, sometimes Anki or the Image Occlusion add-on will fail to go back to adding stuff correctly, and you have to restart it. Again, not a big problem, and I haven't had it happen in a while, but it does happen sometimes. And I've made, like I said, 2,500 cards. There are zero errors with creating cards, zero errors in Anki with visually seeing them. There's zero errors with syncing them to the servers and back, and I've done this with all my cards, like all thousands of them, and zero errors when exporting and importing cards created with this add-on. One of the things that Tiago did was make it so that these things took up a less file space, and he did a great job with that. And that's one of the reasons why I'm able to use this, because I have so many cards, I need to have the images not be repeated so often. Anyways, that's basically it for the introduction. You guys saw how to install it. 2 benefits. Oh, one other thing I want to mention is, I don't know why when I first started using this with syncing with Anki Droid, it didn't display correctly, and I think that was because Anki Droid had some errors in it as far as displaying CSS in the on the Android devices. For some reason, my recent uses with it have been flawless. So I don't know if they fixed something, because I don't think I updated it. But anyways, it seems to work now. You can try it for yourself. Just be sure to make backups of everything. That way, when you do try it, you have plenty of backups. I make tons of backups. So there you have it. All right. Well, there's the introduction, and come view the later videos, which will show you how to work with this add-on and get to some more advanced features when using it. Okay, thank you.